We are covering these 5 top actively traded stocks that are bullish today. While watching price actions, let us inform you. Our review on QBTS. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated is firmly establishing itself as a key player in the emerging world of quantum computing. The company has a clear focus on developing, delivering, and commercializing quantum computing systems, software, and services that businesses can leverage to tackle some of the world's most challenging problems. By offering solutions like the Leap Quantum Cloud Service and the Advantage Quantum Computer, D-Wave enables businesses to access quantum power without the need to build their own quantum infrastructure. This cloud-based model is especially appealing for companies looking to integrate quantum technology into their operations for solving problems in areas like scheduling, mobility, logistics, drug discovery, and portfolio optimization. What's really remarkable about D-Wave right now is the significant momentum it's gaining. In a recent report, the company highlighted an incredible 500% increase in fourth-quarter bookings, a figure that has definitely caught the attention of investors and analysts. It's clear that quantum computing is not just a theoretical concept anymore. It's actively being used by businesses to create efficiencies, improve decision-making, and drive innovation across various industries. Quantum technology's ability to solve problems that classical computers can't tackle is becoming more of a reality, and D-Wave is positioned as a leader in this transformation. The rally in quantum computing stocks that we're seeing right now is also a big story for D-Wave. The stock has been rising, and much of that has been attributed to optimism about the future of quantum computing, especially as big events like NVIDIA's GTC 2025 conference draw attention to advancements in the sector. NVIDIA's upcoming Quantum Day event is particularly exciting, as the company is expected to showcase breakthroughs in quantum computing and AI that could further drive investor interest. Even though NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, has previously suggested that practical quantum computing may still be decades away, D-Wave's performance shows that businesses are already finding real, tangible value in quantum computing. D-Wave's impressive growth, as evidenced by its record bookings, is fueling increased optimism about the future of quantum computing. As businesses continue to explore quantum computing as a tool to enhance productivity, efficiency, and decision-making, D-Wave is increasingly positioned as a leading provider of these cutting-edge technologies. For investors, D-Wave seems well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for quantum-powered solutions. Whether you're looking at their growing client base, strong bookings, or their innovative approach to making quantum computing accessible via the cloud, the company looks set to thrive as the quantum space continues to expand. In the coming years, quantum computing is expected to have a profound impact on industries ranging from healthcare to finance, and D-Wave solutions are likely to play a key role in driving that innovation. With quantum computing continuing to evolve, and as more businesses start to realize its potential, D-Wave stands at the forefront of this revolution. For investors, this makes the company one to watch, as it continues to push forward with its vision of making quantum computing more practical, accessible, and integrated into real-world business applications. The future of quantum computing is unfolding faster than anticipated, and D-Wave is well-positioned to be a major part of that journey. Our review on QUBT. Quantum Computing Incorporated is carving out a strong niche for itself in the world of quantum computing by focusing on accessible, practical solutions that work in everyday environments. Unlike traditional quantum systems that require extreme conditions like low temperatures or highly controlled environments, Quantum Computing Incorporated's technology is designed to operate at room temperature and with minimal power. This makes it much more versatile and scalable for real-world industrial applications. Their use of nanophotonics and quantum entropy in their systems has opened up a wide range of possibilities in fields like AI, cybersecurity, and remote sensing. One of the standout products from Quantum Computing Incorporated is its Dirac series, which is specifically designed to solve optimization problems in both binary and integer-based tasks. These kinds of challenges are ubiquitous in industries ranging from logistics and supply chain management to financial modeling and energy systems. In addition to the Dirac series, the company has also developed cutting-edge quantum applications for artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and sensing, including their reservoir photonic computer series for AI and their reprogrammable quantum random number generator for cybersecurity. These products are already showing how quantum technology can provide secure, high-speed solutions for industries that deal with sensitive data and complex systems. The quantum computing sector has been buzzing lately, largely because of NVIDIA's upcoming Quantum Day at their GTC 2025 event. NVIDIA, a leading player in the tech space, has always been a key influencer in the development of quantum computing, and investors are eager to see what new developments or announcements will come from the event. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has previously stated that practical quantum computing could still be decades away, but there's been growing optimism in the market, especially after D-Wave claimed to have achieved quantum supremacy, a major milestone in the field. Investors are now wondering if NVIDIA will adjust its timeline for practical quantum applications. This renewed interest in quantum computing is benefiting companies like Quantum Computing Incorporated. The company's focus on creating solutions that are not only innovative but also practical and scalable is helping it gain attention in an increasingly crowded space. While many quantum companies are still in the experimental phase, Quantum Computing Incorporated is already providing solutions that industries can use right now, which makes them stand out. Their quantum random number generator, for instance, is a key tool for enhancing cybersecurity, while their LiDAR and vibrometer products are pushing the boundaries of remote sensing and imaging. The stock market is reacting positively to the rising interest in quantum computing, with Quantum Computing Incorporated seeing significant attention. Analysts are generally optimistic about the sector as a whole, with most quantum companies, including Quantum Computing Incorporated, receiving strong buy ratings. The company's ability to bring real-world, tangible applications to quantum computing is what sets it apart from its competitors, and that's what is driving its growing investor interest. Looking ahead, there's a lot of potential for Quantum Computing Incorporated as the quantum computing landscape continues to evolve. With their commitment to making quantum computing more accessible and applicable across industries, they're in a strong position to capitalize on the momentum that's building in the market. As more sectors look for ways to optimize complex systems, enhance data security, and innovate in AI and remote sensing, Quantum Computing Incorporated is well-equipped to provide the solutions that will meet those needs. So, if you're an investor keeping an eye on the quantum computing space, Quantum Computing Incorporated is definitely a company to watch. With the increasing adoption of quantum tech in various industries, their stock could see significant gains in the near future, especially as the sector gains more attention from major players like NVIDIA. The future looks bright for this company, and it will be exciting to see how they continue to grow as quantum technology matures and becomes a more integral part of the tech landscape. Our review on QSI. QuantumC Incorporated is a company that's definitely making waves in the life sciences space. They've developed a game-changing approach to protein detection and analysis, with their focus on next-generation protein sequencing, NGPS. Their flagship product, Platinum, is designed to bring the power of single-molecule detection and protein sequencing into the hands of researchers and healthcare professionals. By using a proprietary semiconductor chip, Platinum offers a more streamlined and efficient workflow compared to older technologies, making it a big step forward for the life sciences industry. Their goal? To provide an unbiased and comprehensive view of the proteome, which could lead to breakthroughs in disease detection, drug development, and personalized medicine. Recently, QuantumC made some waves in the financial world with a strategic move to attract new talent to the company. The company granted 20,833 restricted stock units, RSUs, to new employees under their 2023 Inducement Equity Incentive Plan. This is important because these RSUs are part of an effort to bring in individuals with the skills and expertise needed to help QuantumC execute on their ambitious goals. The move comes under NASDAQ Listing Rule 5635C4, which is specifically designed to help companies attract talent by offering equity awards to new employees as a material inducement for joining. The RSUs will vest gradually over time, with 25% vesting in 2026 and the remainder vesting in equal quarterly installments over the following years. This kind of compensation structure not only incentivizes employees to stay with the company long-term, but also aligns their interests with the success of the business. Essentially, if QuantumC continues to grow and succeed, these employees will benefit too. From an investor's perspective, this move is a sign that QuantumC is positioning itself for long-term growth. By bringing in key talent, the company is not just focusing on product development, but also on building the right team to support its innovations in protein sequencing. This is crucial as the life sciences space is competitive and rapidly evolving, and having the right people on board could be a key differentiator for QuantumC. Investors should pay attention to the fact that QuantumC is making strategic investments in its future, not just in its technology, but in the people who will drive that technology forward. The RSUs also signal confidence in the company's potential to scale and attract the kind of talent that can take its groundbreaking products to the next level. As QuantumC continues to develop its platform and bring new solutions to market, these investments in human capital could play a big role in the company's long-term success, potentially benefiting investors down the line. In short, QuantumC is moving forward with purpose, securing the talent it needs to continue innovating and executing on its vision for revolutionizing protein sequencing. The stock might not just be about the tech they're building, but also about the team behind it. And with this latest move, QuantumC is showing they're serious about both. Our review on KULR. KULR Technology Group Incorporated is one of those companies you might not hear a lot about unless you're tuned into the energy and tech sectors. They're working on some really interesting stuff, particularly in the world of thermal management for batteries and electronics. Their technology is all about keeping things cool when they need to be, which is incredibly important for high-performance applications like aerospace, the Department of Defense, and even things like electric vehicles and 5G devices. They've got a variety of products designed to protect batteries and electronic systems from overheating, which, as we all know, is a huge concern in today's world of high-tech power and energy storage. KULR has been making strides recently, particularly in how they're positioning themselves for future growth in the battery safety and sustainability space. A lot of investors are starting to pay attention to them because of the growing demand for safer, more reliable energy storage solutions. We've seen a lot of focus on electric vehicles and energy storage lately, and KULR is right in the middle of it, offering products like the KULR Safe Case, which helps prevent thermal runaway in lithium-ion batteries, something that's been a major concern as more and more electric vehicles hit the road. But what really stood out recently for KULR was their continued expansion in both the commercial and defense sectors. The company has been making strategic moves to diversify its product offerings, and it's clear they're not just looking to ride the wave of today's battery tech. They're setting themselves up for future growth in a variety of industries. Whether it's hypersonic vehicles for defense or energy storage solutions for consumer electronics, they've got the technology to meet the growing demand for high-performance, safe battery systems. For investors, this means KULR could be one of those companies that's positioned for long-term growth as demand for better energy management solutions continues to rise. They're not just sticking to one market either. Their products have broad applications, from the Department of Defense to cloud computing, which gives them a lot of potential to scale in multiple directions. The stock has been moving steadily as the company continues to build partnerships and expand its reach, and with the global shift toward renewable energy and electric vehicles, KULR's focus on battery safety and thermal management puts them in a really good position to capitalize on this trend. If they can continue to innovate and expand their footprint, especially in the commercial sectors, there's real potential for long-term value here. In short, KULR Technology is one of those companies that might not be making headlines every day, but they're doing the kind of work that could pay off big as industries increasingly rely on safer, more efficient battery systems. Keep an eye on them. They might not be on your radar now, but they're definitely worth watching. Our review on LAES. Sealsq Corp, based in Switzerland, is carving out its niche in the semiconductor world, especially with a focus on tamper-resistant chips and post-quantum technologies. The company is looking to make a big splash with its advanced products, including secure microcontrollers, cryptography, and hardware that's built to withstand the challenges of an increasingly connected world. What sets them apart is the application of their technology across a wide range of industries like consumer electronics, aerospace, telecom, and even medical sectors. They're global too, serving clients in places like the US, Europe, the Middle East, and beyond. Recently, Sealsq made headlines with its Seal Quantum investment strategy, a move that has investors buzzing. They've committed up to $20 million to back startups that are specializing in quantum computing, quantum as a service, QUBT, and AI-driven semiconductor technologies. This strategy shows they're not just focused on their current products, but they're actively looking to accelerate their goals in the quantum computing space. The company has already made 2 investments and plans to announce more by the middle of next year. One of these investments is in QUBT, a company that's all about bringing quantum computing to practical, real-world applications. For Sealsq, this is a huge step toward integrating quantum tech into their broader product lineup, especially as they push for advancements in cybersecurity and AI-driven chipsets. Adding another layer to their growth plans, Sealsq is also in exclusive talks to acquire ICLPS SAS, a French company that specializes in ASIC design and supply. This acquisition would strengthen their hardware capabilities, particularly in the semiconductor space, and boost their efforts in building more advanced, secure quantum systems. CEO Carlos Moreira said the goal is to foster innovation by investing in startups that are pushing the envelope in quantum and AI technologies, essentially fueling the next wave of computing with a focus on security and efficiency. For investors, this initiative is exciting because it shows Sealsq is thinking long-term, positioning itself to lead in not just traditional semiconductor markets, but also in the emerging sectors of quantum computing and AI. These are areas that are expected to grow exponentially, and Sealsq's investments and strategic moves are setting them up to be at the forefront. Their commitment to both backing new tech and acquiring established firms like ICLPS puts them on a clear path to expand their footprint in these high-growth industries. In short, Sealsq is moving in the right direction with its focus on cutting-edge quantum technologies and cybersecurity. Their forward-thinking approach, from investing in startups to potential acquisitions, indicates they're gearing up for significant growth in the coming years. For investors, this could be a signal that Sealsq is not just riding the wave of semiconductor tech, but is positioning itself as a key player in the future of computing. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.